A warm greetings to everyone. Agriculture Makers team welcomes you to this video, and in this video we are going to see one of the most important schemes, that is Rashtriya Gokul Mission. Come on, let's get into the video to know about the entire thing. Yes, to conserve and develop indigenous bovine breeds, government has launched the Rashtriya Gokul Mission in the year 2014 under the National Program for Bovine Breeding and Dairy Development. The scheme comprises of two components, namely the National Program for Bovine Breeding and then the National Mission for Bovine Productivity. And the objective of this mission are development and conservation of indigenous breeds in a focused and scientific manner, and to undertake breed improvement program for indigenous cattle breeds so as to improve the genetic makeup and to increase the stock, to enhance the milk production and productivity, and to distribute disease free high genetic merit bulls for the natural service. Under the scheme, Gopal Ratna Awards will be given for the farmers who are maintaining the best herd of indigenous breed and practicing best management practices, and Kamadhenu Awards will be given for best managed indigenous herds by institutions, trusts, NGOs, Kaushalas, or best managed breeder societies. Coming to the Gokul Gram, the Rashtriya Gokul Mission envisages the establishment of integrated cattle development centers named as Gokul Grams to develop indigenous breeds, including up to 40% nondescript breeds, that is belonging or appearing to belong to no particular class or kind, with the objectives to promote indigenous cattle rearing and conservation in scientific manner, and propagate high genetic merit bulls for indigenous breeds, and to optimize modern farm management practices and promote common resource management, and to utilize the animal waste in an economical way, that is the cow dung and the cow urine. And the government has sanctioned funds under the Rashtriya Gokul Mission for setting up of 21 Gokul Grams as integrated cattle development centers. As of now, 4 Gokul Grams, which are in Varanasi, Mathura, Patiala, and Pora, have been completed, and the work is under progress in the remaining 17 Gokul Grams. Coming to the next thing, National Kamadhenu Breeding Center. It is being established as a center of excellence to develop and conserve indigenous breeds in a holistic and scientific manner. Coming to the next component, it is e-Pashu Hart, Nakul Prajnan Bazaar, an e-market portal connecting breeders and farmers for quality disease-free bovine germplasm, and Pashu Sanjeevani, an animal wellness program encompassing the provision of animal health cards, that is Nakul Swasthya Patra, along with UID identification and uploading data on national database. And then advanced reproductive technology, including assisted reproductive techniques, in vitro fertilization, that is IVF, or multiple ovulation embryo transfer, MOT, and sex sorted semen techniques to improve the availability of disease free female bovines. Coming to the next thing, National Bovine Genomic Center under the scheme is for indigenous breeds, will be established for selection of breeding bulls of high genetic merit at a young age using highly precise gene-based technology. And coming to the implementation agency, this Rashtriya Gokul Mission will be implemented through the state implementing agencies, vice the livestock development boards, and state Gauseva Ayogs will be given the mandate to sponsor proposals to the state implementation agencies and monitor the implementation of the sponsored proposals. And all the agencies having a role in indigenous cattle development will be the participating agencies like ICAR, universities, colleges, NGOs, cooperative societies and gaushalas. Coming to the final thing, RPM recently inaugurated the following under Rashtriya Gokul Mission. Yes, the 7th station with state-of-the-art facilities in Purnia, Bihar, and then IVF lab established at Animal Sciences University, Patna, and sex-sorted semen and artificial insemination by Baroni Milk Union in Begusarai district of Bihar. And it's all about the Rashtriya Gokul Mission. We can have a short recap. It is launched in the year 2014 under the National Program for Bovine Breeding and Dairy Development, and it has two components: the National Program for Bovine Breeding and the National Mission for Bovine Productivity. Under this, there are four objectives: development and conservation of indigenous breeds, and then breed improvement, and to enhance milk production, and to distribute disease-free hygienic merit bulls. And under the scheme, Gopal Ratna Awards is given for farmers for best maintenance, and Kamadhenu Awards are given for the institution trust for best managed indigenous herds. Under this Rashtriya Gokul Mission, integrated cattle development centers known as Gokul Grams were set up, and there are 21 Gokul Grams planned. As of now, 4 Gokul Grams have been completed, and the work is under progress in 17 Gokul Grams. And National Kamadhenu Breeding Center is being established as a center of excellence, and ePashu Hat is there as an e-market portal, and there is Pashu Sanjeevani, which is an animal wellness program, and there is advanced reproductive technology. And National Bovine Genomic Center will be established for selection of breeding bulls of hygienic merit at a young age. And the implementing agency will be the state implementing agencies and state Gau Seva Ayogs. All agencies having a role in indigenous cattle development will be the participating agencies. And we have seen the recent news also, and it's all about this video. I hope the video will be very much useful to you, and thank you for all your supports, and do subscribe our channel for the next earliest updates by tapping on the bell icon. Thank you, and see you all again.